Last episode, we measured Mike's numbers. Take home 8,000, expenses about 8,240, negative margin. That was month 0. Today we'll fix it. This is a 3 to 5 year reset. Today we're here, month 3, margin. If base pay doesn't create a margin, nothing else works. No debt payoff, no emergency fund, no investing. Base pay has to work. We're not going extreme. We're not going to eliminate everything. We're going to take a few categories. We're going to cut them in half. That's it. We'll do another side by side so you can follow along with what I'm saying. Original margin was negative $259. Eating out, $600 becomes $300. Miscellaneous, Amazon type stuff, $300 becomes $150. Subscriptions, $200 becomes $100. And then gym, $200 becomes $100. By doing all this, new margin becomes positive $390. That's not just $390, that's a $650 swing. We went from a negative number up to a positive number, $650 swing. This doesn't fix everything. This gets us to month 3. This gets us to base pay starting to work. Now we have $390 a month. If we don't assign it, it'll disappear. Next step, eliminate the credit card debt. Mike didn't get a raise. He didn't refinance. He didn't move. He reassigned money. Discipline isn't deprivation, it's control. Let's look at overtime for a second. Let's say he brings them about $1,200 per 1 24-hour shift of overtime. Before, that was necessary just to pay his bills. Now, it's optional. And if he does choose to work the overtime, he can use it to accelerate things, not just tread water. Month 3, margin's created. Now we assign it. If you downloaded the spreadsheet from the previous episode, adjust the categories for your version.